Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you all? I hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. I am Farjana Akter Moonmoon, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take English language class of class 2 and our today's topic is the simple present tense. This is our lecture number 21. So let's start. At first we will say something about what is simple present tense. A simple present tense we use to express something like our habits, regular habits, or general truths, or repeated something actions, like when we do something repeatedly every day, then unchanging situations or wishes, emotions, then we can say this kind of activities are simple present tense. You can see in our examples, I have written some examples here. The sun here in the east. We can see in these sentences you will have to do this fill in the blanks with the word rise. You have some action words here and we'll change the words according to the simple present tense. And from our definition we know when we talk about something which is happening regularly and which is your habits, something which is doing after one day or you are doing regularly, then we can call it simple present tense. And in this simple present tense our verb will be, action verb will be in base form and it will be changed according to the subject. Like you can see here our subject is the sun. So this is singular, third person singular subject. So we will have to change the verb according to the subject and it will be rises. The sun rises. When we will get any subject third person singular noun, then our verb will be changed and it will be, we will add as or yes after the main verb. We will add as or yes after the main verb. You can see I have added as. I have added as with rise. So, and you can see in this sentence the sun rises in the east. It's eternal truth. We see every day the sun rises in the east. So this is simple present tense. From the definition you can say this is simple present tense. It's a general truth. Then number 2, cows dash grass. Then our second rule, when in simple present tense if we find the subject is plural, you can see this subject is plural because we can see the s, that means here many cows, we are talking about many cows, more than one cow. Okay, so our verb will be changed according to the subject and it will be only it. We will not add here any s or yes because from the rules we know when we will get plural subject, our in simple present tense our verb will not be changed. It will be in the base form and there will not be s or yes. So cows eat grass. In number 3, the tortoise dash slowly. You can see the tortoise here, this is single noun or singular noun. So we can write here like number 1, crawls. We can add here s because it's singular, simple present tense and singular. The tortoise crawls slowly. Number 4, cats. It is also like number 2, cats also plural because it has s, more than one cat. Cats meal and fish, what? Like. So our verb will be like eat, like, because it's plural and simple present tense. So our verb will be like. Number 5, the deer dash very fast. You can see this is also like tortoise. The deer is singular, so we will write runs. The deer runs very fast. Number 6, April. April, repeated action which is repeating every year. That's why it's simple present tense, and our verb is here, action word is here, come. Here April is singular, so we can write here comes. We know from the rules, when we will get noun or pronoun singular, then in simple present tense we can add as or yes with the action word. April comes after March. Then number 7, a cobbler dash torn shoes. A cobbler, you can see here, a means singular, a cobbler. So from the rules you can say it will be mends. We will add as or yes after action word in simple present tense. When we will get the subject in singular form, then our sentence will be a cobbler mends torn shoes. This is also like number 8, also like number 7, a postman. So if we see a, we can say it's singular. A postman is singular, so it's very easy. Our verb or action word will be brings, because it's singular and it's in simple present tense. We know cobbler means our shows, it's in simple present tense. A postman brings our letters, it's also a simple present tense. So here you can see how I have changed our action words according to the subject, and this is in simple present tense, so we will have to add as or yes according to the subject. This is all for today. I hope you will understood our today's topic and practice it at home. Allah Hafiz.